hopping in the shower and making sure that I drench all of my hair with warm water. And I start in the back. And I slowly make my way to the front, making sure that every strand is saturated with warm water from root to tip. And just making sure that warm water really gets in there. Even pushing my fingers through. And just letting that warm water saturate. And now that all of my hair is saturated with warm water with no product in it, I'm going in with my Coco Creme. It's my shampoo, sulfate free, from Carol's Daughter. And I'm just taking about 4 or 5 pumps. And I'm going to be lathering up my hair now. As you can see, it doesn't take much with this shampoo to lather my hair really well. I actually love this shampoo because it does such a great job and it's still very conditioning for individuals with dry hair like myself. And I'm just going in and I'm rinsing that shampoo out. And look how far or how long 5 or 4 pumps can stretch. So I'm rinsing it out, making sure all that shampoo is out of my hair. Now that I am done shampooing my hair, I'm going to go in and section my hair off into 4 sections, 2 on the top and 2 in the back. When deep conditioning my hair, I always start in the back. It's just easier for me. And I'm going to be actually going in with the TGIN Hair Miracle Honey Mask. And by the way, my hair absolutely loves this stuff. It has so much slip and it's just really good for my hair. I've been using this for, I want to say, about 6 months now. So what I do is I start in the back and I just make sure that I try to saturate every strand of my hair with the deep conditioner. No strand left behind. So yes, I am just making sure it is saturated with the deep conditioner. And then once that is saturated, I twist and I clip it up and get it out the way so I can work on the next section. So I just make sure that I repeat that. Don't mind me, the water was really in my face and getting in my contacts, but I just make sure that I repeat what I just did to my left side, all over my hair, to the back and also to the front. So I'm just going to speed this video up. So now that I have deep conditioned my whole entire head and sectioned it into 4, I'm just placing my shower cap on my head so I can go under the dryer. And I sit under the dryer for about 30 to 40 minutes. So this is my end process of my deep condition routine. I do this weekly and it has helped my hair over the last year. I hope this has helped someone and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.